Hello everyone, this is Kostas, and I wanted to show you one more amazing platform that it really can help you a lot to your business. Because let me show you the main um, the main platform. It's my email verifier. This amazing platform, it gives you the opportunity to um, verify and scan a list and let you know which of those emails that there are in your list that are valuable and the ones that you can send normally emails and people are gonna read. Okay, not emails that belongs to people that they don't exist. It's temporary emails. There are emails that are gonna hurt your reputation for and the most important, they're gonna hurt your IP and server and domain reputation. And emails that are over quota or emails that are unused. Okay, so let's go on and see. I'm gonna leave the link to my description so that you can explore the platform. It's my email verifier. Let me show you the back end of my email verifier. You see, I got this today, and I can just upload, bulk upload um, a file and just evaluate the emails. Okay. Um, you see that at the moment I have 100 credits. I can upload a file with 100 emails and just let the system do the magic. I can even use a single email so that I can check one by one the email. But let me show you uh, what how easily it can scan 100 emails file and just give you the valid one. Okay. The emails that I'm gonna upload, it's from my lead gen secret. I'm gonna give you the link to my description so that you can explore more about my lead gen secret. That it gives you 100 emails each day for $1. Okay, it's a really valuable opportunity, and at the same moment, it provides even um, a platform that you can email your leads. If you don't want to use your autoresponder or if you don't want to use your those leads anywhere else, you can just email them through their system. The point is that if you want to use them for your autoresponder, it's the wisest thing is to use this kind of platform and evaluate each one of those leads to be sure that it's really people and people that they're valuable and people that they're looking for what you're selling. Okay. Okay, let's see now how this system works. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go to bulk upload. I'm gonna just drag and drop my 100 leads. You see, from one of the files that I uploaded with 100 leads, 61% of those were proposed from the system that they're valid, and some of them that they're unknown. And you see, catch all, it means that they are going to many emails from a domain, so it's dangerous to send to this kind of emails. And the invalid one that they're unused, blocked, or over quota. So the green part is the one that we want to send our emails, okay, or to use to our autoresponder. So let me show you what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna just drag and drop my file over here, and I'm gonna uh, um, add 100 leads again. You see that I have 100 credits, and I'm gonna start email validation. You see file processed and credits updated, and I'm gonna see here the result. You see it's the catch-all, the unknown, the invalid, and we are searching for the valid one. Okay, so I'm expecting here the results. You're gonna see that the platform is really very fast, and it's gonna give me the opportunity to download those emails and upload it to my system, or to upload them to my autoresponder and use them safely, sending my own emails, and be sure that I'm not gonna hurt my reputation and the reputation of my server or the reputation of my IP. As you can see, it started the processing. It started checking and evaluating everything. It's really interesting, and it checks each one of those emails, so I don't have to write 100 emails one by one. I can just upload them, and the bulk system it's gonna be able to evaluate and check all of them very, very fast. Okay, you can see that this platform is really amazing because it's strict a lot, and it doesn't want to play with your reputation. So it's doing a great job. Um, it takes a little bit time. It takes some minutes more to investigate, but the point is that you're gonna get the best result. You see, from 100 leads, it found out that 56 of them are the ones that I should use, and the rest of them better to not to touch them because they look really dangerous to send. And in fact, when I say dangerous, it's the idea of they're gonna cause problems to the reputation of my website, of my domain, and in fact my business. Okay, so as you can see here, 10% it's invalid, not used, uh, doesn't exist, it's invalid. The black one over here, it's unknown. It's from domains that they're really unknown, or they don't exist anymore. And the blue part is the catch-all emails. It's in fact, to this point, it's 4 catch-all emails that when you send, let's say, to fspirits.com, all of the emails that they have to do with this domain, they get this email, and that's really dangerous because it can spread to a lot of faulty people that are gonna get your email, and that's not good because there are gonna be a lot of complaints. So if I click here, so details, I'm gonna see all the details here. I can download only the valid one. That's amazing. So you know that you just get the 56 from all these mails, and this percentage is the in fact it's um, the real persons and the real value of those emails, because we have evaluated 100, so 56 from them are valid. And now I can download all of them and use them to my autoresponder. If you're using my lead gen secret, it's okay. You can just use their built-in autoresponder. In fact, it's not an autoresponder, it's a mailer. You can just send an email every single day to all those leads, and you don't have to worry about your email reputation, because it's gonna send from my lead gen secret domain, and it's a problem for the owners of my lead gen secret about hurting their domain. But you don't bother at all. You just send an email and you get tons of traffic. But when you decide to use those leads, it's this one, the My Email Verifier. It's the best tool that you should try. And trust me, if you want to check. So if in case you want to use a bulk email verification, you can easily use it, and you can even buy credits and evaluate even more emails. But if you want just to check 100 emails every single day, you can easily use this tool, and every day it's going to give you 100 leads. You see, now I have 30 credits here because 30 of those emails were not good emails, and they were bad emails. The system couldn't evaluate them and mark them as this unknown black, so it returned those 30 credits. Feel free to check my lead gen secret. I'm gonna leave the link to my description, and click to find out more about this amazing email list validation. Thank you very much for watching my video, and click like and subscribe, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.